company, different shares, equity shares and different shares. Now we will understand the general entries for issue of shares. How we place general entries for the issue of share. So in first case lump sum, where we are getting all the amount in one go. So first entry for receiving application money, what will be the entry is bank account debit to share application account with amount received. It is the first entry on receiving application money. Now on giving shares, the second entry will be share application account debit to equity share capital account to security premium reserve account giving shares to shareholder. Now if more application received, for say we have called for 10,000 equity shares and we get 12,000 equity shares, in that case what will be the entry is share application account debit to equity share capital account to security premium reserve account in which the premium account will be placed. In that case the share is issued at premium and the leftover account will be come under to bank account. For understanding the entry, we are taking the example RIA Limited issues 10,000 shares at the rate of rupees 10 each. Application received for 12,000 shares. Therefore, 2,000 rejected the application received in lump sum. Here, RIA Limited issues 10,000 shares, but he has get application for 12,000. So 2,000 have to reject it and application received is in lump sum. Fine. So now we'll do the entry for that. Bank account debit, that is 1,20,000. So 12,000 multiply by 10, we are getting 1,20,000. To share application account, again the same amount 1,20,000. Now the second entry is share application account debit. Yahan what we are doing, we are allotting the shares to the shareholders. So again the same amount will come, that is 12,000 multiplied by 10, which is 1,20,000. Now to equity shareholder account. So RIA Limited only issues 10,000 shares, so he will allot only 10,000 shares to the shareholders, which is 10,000 multiplied by 10. 10,000 multiply by 10, we will get 1 lakh, and bank account 20,000, which we have to return to the shareholders. Now this question was simple. Now we come to the premium part. So for this we are taking the example of RIA Limited issues 10,000 shares at the rate of 10 each plus 2 premium. Application received for 12,000 shares. 2,000 shares are rejected and the application received again in lump sum. So what we will do here, we will place again the entry bank account debit to 1,44,000. So how this 1,44,000 will come? See, we have received the application of 12,000 at rupees 12. So 12,000 multiply by 12, we will get 1,44,000. Now the to share application account credit, that is 1,44,000 again. Now we will allot the share. In that case the entry will be placed, which is here share application account debit, which is again 1,44,000, but to equity share capital. Equity share capital is at rupees 10, and how much shares we need to issue? Only 10,000. So 10,000 multiply by 10, we will get 1 lakh. Now security premium, in which the premium amount will come. So how many shares are there? 1,000 shares at 2 rupees premium. 2 into 10,000 will come 20,000. Now to bank account is we need to return 24,000 to the shareholder, because 2,000 share multiply by 12, we will get 24,000. Now issue of shares. How we will pass the journal entries for the installment when we issue the share in the installment. So first we need to understand what are the installment in which we can issue the share. The first installment is for share application, and the second installment is for share allotment when we allot the shares. Third installment is for first call when we call the money for first time. Fourth installment will be for second and the final call. Now to understand this installment part, we will take the example. Pause हो जाएगा बीच में. For understanding this part, we can take the example. A company issues 10,000 shares at the rate of 10 each, 3 rupees at the time of application, 3 rupees at the time of allotment, 2 rupees at the time of first call, and 2 rupees at the time of second call. Now how we will pass the entry for the question, we will understand here. The first entry is bank account debit, which is 30,000. So how this 30,000 will come? It is 10,000 share multiply by 3, that is 10,000 multiply by 3, we'll get 30,000. To share application account, bank में money क्यों आया? For the share application, which is 30,000. Again, the next entry is share application account debit, which is again 30,000 to equity share capital account. Now the next entry, when we allot the share allotment account debit, it is 30,000 to equity share capital account, again 30,000. This is for the allotment part. Now share first call. What will be the entry when we call the money for first call? Now the share first call account debit, which is 20,000 to equity share capital 20,000. Why this 20,000 will come? At the time of first call, we have call 2 rupees for each share. So 2 into 10,000 will come 20,000. Now to equity share capital. Now first call equity share capitals को issue करने के लिए हम करेंगे. Then again 20,000 will come. Now bank account debit, which is 20,000. Now जो हम equity share capital allot कर रहे हैं, उसके लिए हमें बैंक में 20,000 rupees place करने पड़ेंगे. To share first call account, which is again 20,000. Now share second call, which is again 20,000, because we are calling rupees 2 for the second time also. So 2 into 10,000 will come 20,000. To equity share capital account 20,000. Now the bank account up to whatever we call for the second time, then we'll get in the bank, which is bank account debit 20,000 to share second call account 20,000. So these will be the entries which we will pass when the shares will issue for the installment, in which the first installment will be the share application. We have passed the entries for the first application. Now if we are talking about the second application, which is known as share allotment, so for share allotment we will pass the entry like this, and for third first call, that is we will pass the entry like this, and the fourth part, which is second or final call, we will pass the entry like this.